What? Your stupid alarm. You don't hear that shit?
No.
Jeez. We're going airsofting today. I hate that cat. We about to get ready, and then I don't know, eat breakfast, and then head out. We have everything packed already, but let's get it. I don't know what my cat wants. What do you want? I don't know. He's being funny. Oh God, I look homeless. It's alright, we'll fix it. Oh, you want food? You want food, huh? Alright, we'll get you some food. Just so you can be quiet. Alright, well, that shut you up. Alright, we got everything ready. We out here. I got my gun. He's got his vest. We are ready to go, people. Let's get it, boy, boy, boy.
Alright guys, we leaving the crib. We're going on. We already packed up. We got the gun in the bag. We got him driving. Goonie boy.
It's like a 20-minute drive in Parker. Should be there in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Ready to go. Let's get it. We got our new mask. We got his new gun. Let's get it.
Get it.
See y'all there. Alright guys, we just got here. I forgot to take a quick little video of it, but yeah, this is where we just got to Flat Acres Farm. Okay, but look at Dom's wedgie though. That shit, damn. Me and Dom just got done. I didn't record much in there, but they went ham. I got shot pretty bad on the arm a few times. Dom went ham. Oh, we got pretty sick masks too. If you guys want to get some, check out onetigress.com. You guys find all kinds of cool shit on there for airsoft. But it was dope. Good shit, boy. We'll be back next weekend. Now we gotta head back out. We're just loading up the car right now. Made it back home, guys. We just got some food because it's tiring out there. But yeah, that was our airsoft experience. That's usually what we do. We get up in the morning, just go airsoft, and it's pretty fun. Next time I'm gonna record in-game footage so that way, like, I don't know, so you guys can see what's going on. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty tight. Dominic's pooped. But thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it, and we'll just try to see where we go from here. Peace.